am back. Mama Bear is back. You know. So right now I'm done cleaning my daughter room. And before I take my shower, yeah, my hair weave is messing up, you guys. But guess who don't care? Me. I ain't worried about it. But I'm just going over one of my songs that I'm working on. Took off my shorts and turned my top piece, my shirt into a freaking dress. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm gonna let y'all hear a piece of the song. Y'all listen to this part. I really love it. She is bad. I'm really bad when it comes to listening to an instrumental and coming at this point. I'm gonna give myself props on that one. I really, yeah. So let me see. I got another little piece on here where my daughter was trying to help me. I didn't know how I wanted to go, so I was just seeing different types of stuff. Yes. I wish I can see this, but I'm trying to hold this camera myself. I wish I can see how I turned the shirt into a dress. You know, I just basically pulled it down son. Duh. You know, that's it. That's it, you guys. It wasn't even that naught to it. I was trying to make it seem, let me tell y'all how I did, you know. Nope. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Woo! I love it. Now this is my daughter. She was jumping in it. I didn't tell her to do that. Oh, yes. Let's see. My daughter recorded this on her phone. You guys can see that. They did a very good job in that movie. I'm gonna sing what I mean. I need to put it down. Hold on, you guys. I'm not gonna do much. Tell me where the sun. Cause I need somebody who will stand by me. The good times and bad times, she will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody knows me.